Hi, my name is Sam Rodriguez, Senior Product Manager for Chatsworth Products. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a NEMA 4 rated enclosure into a NEMA 3R. And the primary difference between the two is that a NEMA 3R enclosure allows any moisture that gets inside the enclosure to drain out. I'm going to start by getting inside the RMR Industrial Enclosure. Once you're inside the enclosure, this particular enclosure is actually sitting on some foot stands, so there's clearance between the bottom of the enclosure and the ground, and that's going to give us the clearance that we need to be able to outfit this with the drain hole and the drain plug. First thing we're going to do is find an area suitable on the base of the enclosure and identify that as the area that we're going to drill. Once you have your PPE protection in place, then you want to take a standard drill driver outfitted with a 1/8 inch diameter drill bit. Inside the enclosure, you're going to find down on the floor, which is where the water would naturally want to collect, you're going to find a location to drill the particular hole. So as you can see, the placement of the drain hole is not really important. The minimum requirement is that we drill a 1/8 inch diameter clearance hole for water to escape the enclosure. So now we've got a NEMA 3R rated enclosure. The problem is that I have no way to protect it against contaminants and insects from getting inside. So I'm going to show you a better method to enhance the environment of this enclosure. The first thing I'm going to have to do is change the tool. So we drilled a 1/8 inch hole, and now I'm going to have to go to a much larger hole, which is 1/2 inch for the drain fitting. So I've got a special tool here, a special drill bit that's going to allow me to put in a bigger hole. And what we're going to be installing is this drain fitting that's NEMA approved and has a series of protective measures against contaminants. This particular unit has a series of wire mesh screens that don't allow any insects to crawl inside the enclosure. If you look at the base, it's got a sealing washer and it's got a unique cut that's going to allow the liquid to enter and then drain through the wire mesh. There's a unique cut nut that allows the water to enter through the nut into that drain hole. So that's it. Once you're done drilling a 1/8 inch diameter hole, this NEMA 4 enclosure is now rated for NEMA 3R. Any liquid that gets into the enclosure is going to drain out through that hole. For more information, please visit us at www.chatsworth.com.